Hey internet, since the weather's not too good out here, I thought I'd show you my motorcycle today. I have the white one, talking about the white one here, this one here. Got a 2019 Yamaha R3. Got the bike on March of 2019. Since then I've changed a few things on it, starting with the TSD Industries GTR Halo turn signals right there. Remove the orange circular reflector that used to go here, and instead of that I put the wheel tape. I blocked out the screws here, that one there, this one on the plastic. uh, Also blacked out that one there, the ones on the rear pegs. Blacked out this plates. Obviously this one's needs a second coat, the paint's coming off. I've installed a Joshi pipe. I got the pipe from the dealership, and I got the mid pipe and the headers from Amazon, because California. What else have I done? I've done pro grip on the tank. I've changed the gas tank. I changed the gas cap, not the gas tank. What the? Put a phone mount there. I got a USB charger right here. I put a bunch of stickers on it. I got a Dynajet Power Commander 5. I've installed this little GoPro mount here so I can get some nice shots. I got a little tail tidy from Repsilla, forgot the brand. I got this turn signals here, got rid of the old pumpkin style Yamaha. Got different tires now. I got a 160 in the rear, 120 in the front, and I've also installed this little things right here, spools for the rear, and I got the fork sliders in the front right there. And I think that's everything that I've done to it. Oh, I got different levers too. Got different levers. I think that's everything that I've done to it so far. But I really like this bike. I think I have more fun on this white bike than I do on the yellow one. And let me tell you why. Every time I take this bike out, I'm able to rev it everywhere I go. Redline it everywhere I go. If I want to do that with that bike, I have to be super careful, because that's a 600 and they're fast. It's faster than this little R3. But having fun on it, I think the white one takes it. But that's just me, people have different preferences. Now, I'm not saying I don't have fun on that bike, but I could get in a lot more trouble on that bike than I will on this bike. But yeah, this is the baby right here. I think I've got 8,000 miles on it now. Not entirely sure. Let's see how many miles I got on it. Work with me, light. Let's see. I think that's 8,315 miles. And I had it for 2 years. That's how the turn signals look. The halos. I love this bike, dude. I really, really love this bike. Yep, that's my 2019 Yamaha R3. Thanks for watching.